two of me opening fidgets I get from Asda. So right here we have a Hulk's hand punch, whatever. It's a punch of Hulk's hand. I'm about to cut it and then we'll put it in my bag and we'll see how it looks. So now we have the scissors. Let's cut this open. This is so hard. I'm gonna do it off camera. We finally got it off. That took so long. Now I can hook it to my bag, and now we will see how it looks like with my bag. Can't wait to take this to school. Turns out it looks so good. I can't wait to take this to school. Green, green. We'll see you in the next video. Hope you liked it.